finally finished that load out of Kansas City, Missouri. It was going to Salt Lake City, Utah. Book line haul on it was $3,595.78. Book miles was 1,088 miles. Line haul was $3.30 per mile on it. Available advance was $1,797.89. I took out $700 for fuel. Let's see here. After deadhead, it was $2.63 per mile, and settlement was $2,895. Total miles on it that I did after deadhead was 1,365. So overall, not a bad load. I did run into some little wind issues going out to Utah. Truck is very light and everything because it was like some ballet equipment. So, but it was a good load. It was a very good agent. I like working with him. His loads always pay good. They're usually, like I said, very light loads. So overall, really good load. Anyways, hope you guys liked the content. If you did, like and subscribe. As I always say, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Hard times don't last, hard truckers do. And last but not least, stay smooth, my friends.
feet, turn right onto Truman Road South.
Time is 23:43. Date is October 7th. Stopping at the complete stop, I-80, westbound, Wyoming, right around the marker. Mile marker 282. Laramie, Wyoming.
Get on the left lane on that rumble strip, you can get up the hill.